Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture of mechanical vibration. The subject code of this subject is 502, which comes under fifth semester RGPV syllabus. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss on the topic advantages and disadvantages of vibration. So, in previous lectures, I have already told you what is the vibration, what are the causes of vibration. Now, today, uh, we are dealing with the advantages and disadvantages of vibration. My name is Professor Ghanshyam Javalkar, and we are starting the lecture now. Okay? So, these are some of the advantages of vibration. The first advantage of vibration that vibration can be used in vibration testing equipment. As the name suggests, it is the testing equipment, so which can test the sudden imbalancing of forces. So, vibration testing equipment uses the vibration. If there is no vibration, the system is silent or the system is static, so we can't study the motion. So, vibration testing equipment uses the vibration. This is the one advantage. Now, vibratory conveyors and hoppers, sieves and compactors, these are some of the fields which uses the vibration as the beneficial mode. The second one is vibration is found very fruitful in mechanical workshops, such as in improving the efficiency of machining, casting, forging, welding techniques, musical instruments, and earthquakes for geological research. So, vibration is fruitful in mechanical works for improving the efficiency of machining. If there is a vibration, so there is a loss of uh, breakdown in the machine. So while we are designing a machine, we are considering this thing in mind that there are certain vibrations, and these vibrations can take the or reduce the effect of thrust in the machine. So it is indirectly improving the efficiency of the machine. In casting and forging, we are also using the vibration as in casting, vibration uses the material to settle down in a proper cavity. In forging, we are using a shape which has to be forged with the help of vibration. We are setting the forged material. In welding techniques, somehow there is a vibration in the metal, and this vibration helps to join the workpieces. In musical instruments, the good sound can be produced by vibrating the strings or the surfaces. And in geological research, the earthquake can be find out with the help of vibration, and it is plotted on a graph. So vibration is fruitful in human. Now, another example of vibration, the useful or advantage of vibration is it is useful for the propagation of sound. So, one of the main advantage of vibration is we are listening with the help of vibration. We are listening my voice with the help of vibration. We are picking a call and connecting to someone, and that can be on a frequency, but if I am saying some words, these words can be produced some sound surrounding, produce a vibration surrounding to me, and this Vibration can be transferred from one particle to another particle or number of particles to the next particle, and then someone hearing my sound if I'm calling to someone. So vibration helps to propagation of sound. Now the next one is accelerometer and velocity sensors used in gas turbines. So accelerometers which sense the acceleration and velocity sensors uses the concept of vibration in case of turbine, axial compressor, flow of air, flow of water, flow of oil, flow of any fluid, any gas can be measured with the help of vibration. The small at mid-range pumps, sewer machine design. So these are some other advantages in civil fields that the sewer line, the pumps, the turbines can be checked with the help of the vibration. Now the next one is displacement measurement relative to the rotating shaft. Somehow displacement can be also measured with the help of vibration. If there is large vibration in the machine, so we can say that there is a displacement. The displacement can be high in the setup. So this is one of the advantage of the vibration. Now the next one is increased flexibility and range of motion. So to increase the flexibility and range of motion, we are using vibration. Now the direct measurement of speed. So uh, generally uh, traffic in the department, the traffic control department uses some sensor which can sense the speed with the help of vibration at a particular point. So the next, these are some of the advantages, and now we are going to the disadvantages of vibration. Now quality problems. Vibration reduces the quality of a particular substance. I can give an example. The vibration is harmful for us in the case of supposed to be we are having some water at the time, and if you are sucking the water from the tank, if there is a vibration in the water, so the dust particles accumulated in the bottom, if there is a vibration, these dust particles will come with the water, and this can harmful from the impeller of the pump. So this is a quality problem. So this is one of the disadvantage of the vibration. Now sewer machine damages due to the vibration. If there is a vibration on the surface, and the surface below there is a sewer line, so the sewer line can be damaged with the vibration on the upper surface. Or in the earthquakes, the higher frequency, the higher vibration can damage number of sewer lines. So this is one of the disadvantage of vibration. Then high power consumption, it consumes power because vibration is a loss in the case of machine. If we are running a car and the car vibrates more while it is running on the road, so we require more fuel to run the car. So this is high power consumption. So vibration, this is the disadvantage of vibration, that it is high power consumption. Machine unavailability due to breakdown. So somehow if the vibration increases, there is a breakdown in the machine. Unnecessary maintenance. So unnecessary, if there is a breakdown, we require a maintenance. Of patient occupational hazards. So somehow vibration break down these things. There is a maintenance, so we have to shut down the whole system. So this is occupational hazard. Unwanted vibration produces unpleasant stress in the machining parts. So this can reduce the life of the machine due to vibration. There is a if we are designing a system and there is a large vibration or there is an increase in the vibration, the component can be break before its life. So there is a unwanted pleasant that the machine part can fail or the life can be destroyed due to the vibration. So these are some of the disadvantages. So friends, we have already discussed the some advantages and disadvantages of vibration, and you can practically uh, find the advantages and disadvantages of vibration in your life because vibration is related to our life. If the heart beats with its normal range, that is 80 to 120, so we can say that we are safe, the heartbeat is in the range. But if it is increases, so we uh, we take tension that what happened to us. Meanwhile, if the frequency of the heart, or I can say that the vibration of heart is reduces, and that time we are also take tension that what happened to us. So vibration is advantageous and disadvantageous. It can depends on the condition, what are the range, uh, what are the critical conditions or what are the limits. If vibration goes beyond the limit, it is harmful, and if it is in the limit, it is good for a machine. Meanwhile, we can't stop the vibration. If we are applying a force on a machine and there is a mass, there must be there must be the vibration in the system. We can't eliminate the vibration. We can control the vibration. We can reduce the vibration within the limits. And if we are controlling the vibration within the limits, so it is good for us. And if we can't able to control the machine or the system, the vibration can be dangerous for us. It is used in each and every field because matter having some mass, and if there is a mass, there is a force, and if there is a force, there is an unbalancing, and if the force unbalanced, they cause mass. They cause vibration. Okay, so I hope you understand today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss the measuring instruments or the uh, measuring parameters of vibration. Thank you very much. Have a good